So today guys, we are doing an unboxing of a camera. This one right here. I've been a Canon user, I've been a Nikon user, I'm a stills photographer, I'm also a cinematographer. See where your curiosity takes you. We shall indeed. Warranty card from Canon EOS M50 user manual. Straps. I'm not into straps. We have camera body, we have power cable, we also have kit lens, battery, a battery charger. The reason I've decided to buy this camera is when I first started shooting video, I was surprised that the autofocus didn't work. Now this has actually got a little bit more weight than I thought. It's compact, it's light, it looks decent. It's got the flip out LCD screen, which I can rotate around, and when I'm vlogging, that is absolutely brilliant. It's got dual pixel autofocus, which means it will track your face, focus on your eyes and move with you. It's small, it's compact, it shoots 4K. Always have that facing down, guys, incidentally. Remove the lens cap. So it's called an EFM mount, which is specifically for mirrorless cameras. But look at that, I'm happy with that. I reckon that's great. Battery compartment. So this camera shoots 4K, that's cool. I really don't care about the autofocus at 4K. I'm mostly going to be doing B-roll stuff. I got to get a heap of these batteries, so that sits in there like that. You got these HDMI ports on the side here. You got where your microphone goes in there. Turn it on. I wonder if it comes charged. Oh look, and this touchscreen LCD, that's brilliant. Time zone, well we're not going to be on London time zone, are we? We're going to be on Australia. I'm going to familiarise myself with this thing. This also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can get the data to your phone. That's the charger. I think this is cool. I'm happy with it. Hey, look at this, guys. This is a size comparison, alright? That's the M50. And this is a 5D. With a not especially big lens, but just a 17-40. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I'm a minimalist, so I just love how little this is. It's great, it's got a decent bit of weight to it. It's Canon's mirrorless camera. This is where they're headed. Let's unlock. Oh, look at that. I'm surprised it doesn't come with a little lens hood. Could easily get a little 49mm lens hood. I'm going to read the instructions and have a play with this. It's taken a long time to get one, but I finally have a mirrorless camera. It's actually got a lot more weight to it, and people said how light it was. I don't think it's light. It feels like 300 grams or something like that, maybe more. It could be half a kilo. I can't wait to get out there and use it. All right, I'm going to show you what I can do with this bad boy.
Go get it. Go get it.
That felt so much harder than wages. I don't know why.
Nice, let's see those hands. Damn. No way. That's rough.
There's like these sharpest little edges.
It's pretty flat up there, hey, from down here, like you can't see too much. Yeah.
I know you don't like being filmed, but it's a bit hard to avoid when you're with me, isn't it? I mean, you're with other people. We're going into the Apple store.
You're not going to film in there, please.
No, I won't film at Apple store. Come on guys, we are in the Apple store with
I'm Kate.
Kate and
Andy.
That light is
Alright.
next level, isn't
Yeah.
Like blind right now.
That's awesome. Alright, so we came in to get a keyboard, but we couldn't resist these sexy faces. Look at that.
I say that to Andy all the time.
There we go. Alright, later, bye.